Machine Design is heading to TIMTOS, the Manufacturing Machine Tool and Expo in Taiwan in March. As we gear up for the show, we're catching up with Mr. Maurice Chang, Senior Director at HIWIN, who joins us now from his office in Taiwan. It's a pleasure to meet you, Maurice. Thank you for being here.
Hi. Yes, it's my pleasure to have this interview and share with everybody as well. Hi, everyone.
So, tell me a little bit about HIWIN and what you do there.
HIWIN has a well-established global presence. HIWIN has 12 subsidiaries in the United States, in Europe, Asia, and more than 300 distribution partners globally. And HIWIN can cooperate with diverse industries, such as the precision machinery industry, the machine tool, the medical, the pharmaceutical, the automation, semiconductor, also with the consumer electronic manufacturing, transportation, etc. And HIWIN also ranks global #2 in the linear motion technology for HIWIN's ball screw and linear guideway. HIWIN has a wide range of module solution products such as torque motor rotary table, dot torque strain wave gear, cross roller bearing, single axis robot, SCADA robot, 6-axis robot, linear motor, torque motor, AC servo motor, drive, and precision stage. And HIWIN has a subsidiary in the United States, which is a market that highly focuses on advanced manufacturing, robotics, and automation. HIWIN is also with strategic customers and partners in robotics and automation in the North American market. And globally, the requirement for automation is increasing. This trend is the key driver for HIWIN's growth. As more companies are investing in automation technology to improve the efficiency and the productivity.
Well, thank you. I want to go specifically to component design. Tell us a little bit more about how linear motion technology continues to advance and where are we seeing the growth over the next 5 years? So who stands at the forefront of this potential innovation?
Motion technology will continue to be the core and have a strong demand in the intelligent automation, also with the integration of artificial intelligence, which is AI, with the robotics to have higher precision and efficiency.
Now, how has
Yes.
functionality been enhanced in precision actuated technology? Can you tell me a little bit more about the specific technologies and how that's improved?
Okay, sure. HIWIN offers a wide range of linear, rotational, and multi-axis actuator solution to all customers. For the linear motion, such as a single-axis robot, XYZ coordinate robot, and also with HIWIN's direct drive technology, we have SSA linear motor stage for the high speed and high precision. As for the rotational motion control, HIWIN's dot torque strain wave gear is a rotation joint of all kinds of robots, such as the articulated robot, SCADA robot, wafer robot, and humanoid robot. Also, with the direct drive torque motor technology, HIWIN offers torque motor rotary table in the machine tools 4-axis and 5-axis for the high-end machine application. Can improve the accuracy and the productivity of machine tool for very complicated and precise machining in one setup. HIWIN is the first in the world to introduce intelligent ball screw. We call it I4.0 ball screw, which can detect the ball screw service life, temperature, vibration, and smart lubrication. So HIWIN can help the machine tool customers to monitor machine health condition and plan the predictive maintenance to have a zero machine downtime.
Thank you so much. So I'd also like you to talk more specifically to the markets that you focus on. So how does what role does HIWIN's technology play in medical equipment, for example, medical equipment design, and in smart manufacturing? So, for example, in robotics.
Direct drive motor offers the high precision, reliability, and high repeatability for the medical applications, such as the CT scanner, MRI scanner, and also the X-ray equipment, in the hospital, the gamma knife for the doctor to treat cancer. And also we have a hematologic oncology application, and also with a virus detection device, as well as even in the pharmacy medicines processing automation. HIWIN's wafer robot, low-pole aligner, and equipment front-end module event also helping customer in semiconductor for the smart automation to produce precision high-end microchips for all medical equipment. For the smart manufacturing, HIWIN also offers a wide range of robotic solution, including the articulated robot, which is 6-axis robot, SCADA robot, wafer robot, single-axis robot, which are all the key for smart manufacturing.
Now, HIWIN's website notes that its products can replace hydraulic components, reduce pollution and noise, and conserve energy. Tell us more about your sustainability best practices at HIWIN.
HIWIN developed the green product with low friction and high efficiency to reduce the carbon emission and the energy consumption as compared to the hydraulic and pneumatic product, such as HIWIN's both school linear guideway, single-axis robot, direct drive linear motor, and the torque motor. For example, the intelligent both school can monitor the machine's health condition and avoid machine unexpected shutdown, thereby increasing production efficiency. The intelligent both schools' smart lubrication function can reduce the consumption of lubricant oil and also reduce the carbon emission. HIWIN smart and innovative components provide a reliable, safe, and also the modular design that complies with ESG for the energy saving and the environmental protection trend.
Thank you so much. So I will be heading to TIMTOS, the Manufacturing and Machine Tool Expo in Taiwan in early March. That's March the 3rd to the 8th. What can I expect to see at the HIWIN booth this year?
I think HIWIN will demonstrate intelligent automation through 4 major mechatronic integration in the machine tools, also with the automation and the smart manufacturing. Let me introduce. I think first is about the machine tool upgrade solution. HIWIN can help customers to upgrade from the 3-axis application to 5-axis machining capability with HIWIN's torque motor rotary table, which is with a high speed and high torque performance, and also can perform milling and turning operation in one machine setup. And the visitors can visit HIWIN booths. They will demonstrate their machines, advanced new machines with HIWIN's torque motor rotary table in TIMTOS. Second is about to empowering the AI robotic innovation with HIWIN solutions. HIWIN's critical components such as the ball screw, linear guideway, Dartoker gear reducer, and a crossroad bearing being used in AI robotic for motion and the transmission system. Not only in the surveillance robot, the farming robot, the medical robot, also HIWIN supports other professional robots in the intelligent manufacturing, such as in the logistic, automation, and also other service robot as well. We can empower the development of smart automation. The third one is to upgrade to intelligent motion control. HIWIN demonstrate intelligent feed control system in the TIMTOS for intelligent both school. And we also demonstrate intelligent linear guideway, and as well as the intelligent single-axis robot. Number 4, the last item we would like to share was the user-friendly automation with HIWIN's multi-axis robot and the Cartesian robot. With the multi-axis robot, with its flexibility and multifunction, is suitable for the very complicated working environment and operations, as well as for the Cartesian coordinate robots can be friendly set up to help automation and machine tool makers to have integrated automation, production, and also the assembly lines to save the labor and to improve the productivity.
Thank you so much, Mr. Morris Chang, Senior Director at HIWIN. Thank you so much for filling us in on HIWIN's top line performers. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.